Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to talk about PSD files. So basically, what are PSD files, how to use them, how to make mockups like these with the help of PDF files for free, and why should you use them as a mockup for creating mockups than using any other tool or any other software. So without any further ado, let's get started. So PSD file is basically a Photoshop document file, which is an image file. It's basically an image with multiple smart layers, and you can embed your design or your image into that specific layer of the PSD image. And these PSD files can of course be used for creating mockups. So by using PSD file, you can convert this design into and so on. So one thing may come into your mind that why should you use these PSD files and why not any other plugin or any other tool which easily gives you the mockup or the device mockup that you want, and why to do so much hard work. So by saying this, I mean that if you are on any tool or if you are on any plugin, then you might get some mockups. Like you can get mockups of mobile phones, you can get mockups of laptops, PCs, etc. But it might be possible that you cannot get mockup of a cup or a t-shirt, and you want that. So first we need to download the PSD file, and let's see how can we do that. So I'm going to this site called FreePic, and I want this can PSD file. So I'm writing can PSD, beer can PSD, soda can PSD, and let's go here, and I'll pick this file, and you need to download this file, free download. So the file has been downloaded, and I'll cut this and paste on my desktop, and I'll extract this. Yes, it is extracted. And to edit this file, this PSD file, you need to go to this website called PHOTOPEA. You simply search it on the net or write photopea.com, and here I'll open my file, and remember to choose this .psd file, and I'll choose this and it will open. And by the way, you can of course use Photoshop for this. So it's uploaded, and you need to go to this design applic and click this. So you need to place your design or your image which you want to have on the mockup. So I'll drag and drop this image which I quickly made for this video, and I'm going to stretch this image a lot. And once you are done with editing, you will control this file, and it will say smart object uploaded. And when you go back to this file, you will see your design has been embedded. So this is not looking very good because I didn't do the editing very well or stretching very well, but you can of course edit this. So in the same way, you can go to this and edit the first can also, but I'm not going to do that. And once you are done with all this, you will
save as a PSD, don't save as a PNG or anything. Save as a PSD, so you will save this as a PSD, and then you will export it as a PNG or any format. Ask you the quality, save this, save, and let's check how it looks. Yes, it's looking beautiful, so you can, in this way, looks appealing and presentable. And of course you can instead of using this free pic, you can always use another site. Basically it's up to you, and I'll add this link of the PSD file in the description. And by the way, I created this scenery using Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this scenery and you want a tutorial video of Illustrator or how to make this scenery on Illustrator, then please comment down, and even if there are 10 comments, then I'll make the next video on this tutorial. You can also follow my Insta. I keep posting new user interface on my Instagram account, so you can get some design ideas on my Instagram account. So that is it for today, guys. I hope that you liked the video. Please press the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down. Till the next video, bye bye.